Cruising altitude reached. Smooth sailing from here on out.
Mayday! Mayday! I'm losing control! The engines are gone!
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Please respond.
No signal. Just ocean. I'm completely alone.
Come on. Open up. I need water.
Who goes there?
Oh, Huezo so penancy. It's just a little monkey. For me? Thank you, little friend. I'm Adam. This should keep us dry tonight. What do you think?
Gotcha. Finally, some real food.
You know, Miko, I miss my family. Do you think they're looking for me?
Keep it coming, Miko. Every stick counts.
Now we wait. Just need one ship or plane.
I need to build a fire. A huge one. The biggest they've ever seen. Burn! Come on! See the smoke! Ah! Over here!
Hey! Down here! Look down! Ah! They can't see me. I'm too small.
A ship! Miko! Wake up! It's a ship! They saw us! They're turning! We're saved!
I have to go now. Thank you for saving my life, little buddy. I'll never forget you.
The dust settles slow on the window pane. Another heavy morning feels the same. Searching for the sun beyond the rain. Swaying to forget the lingering pain. It's just the current pulling at my feet. A rhythm of the bitter and the sweet. I close my eyes and find a still retreat. Breathe in the calm. Let the struggle deplete. I carried burdens I couldn't see. Chains of worry wrapped around me. Now I let the quiet set me free. This moment is all that's left to be. It's just the current pulling at my feet. A rhythm of the bitter and the sweet. I close my eyes and find a still retreat. Breathe in the calm. Let the struggle deplete.